Okay, when we solve this number 10, what do you notice is on the left and right side that is real big? What do you call these? Do you remember PEMDAS? So we got to do this before we do anything else. I mean, we don't have to. That's where this becomes difficult, right? We could go ahead and do everything internally and then do the parentheses, but let's follow PEMDAS because that's something you know. So what was the rule about the power rule? You gotta distribute. And what did I say? I said you had to distribute to everything. Everything. So watch this. You got to distribute the 3 here. Here. You got to put a 1 right here and distribute it here. You got to distribute it here. But you also have to put a 1 down here and distribute it. Let's see how we're going to do this. You got to distribute it here. Here. And here. Now, I should say, usually when you get good at these, you just know to do this. You do it in your head. Okay, so don't think it's so hard. So then put an equal sign. Well, we're going to run out of room, so I'm going to put an equal sign here. And then just start doing it, okay? X to the power of 9, because I'm multiplying 3 times 3. Y to the power of 12, 4 times 3. 2, I'm treating 2 just like it's a letter. 2 to the power of 3, 1 times 3. Y to the power of 6, 2 times 3. Bring that ruler back. Down here, I've got 2 to the power of 3, 1 times 3. X to the power of negative 6, which is negative 2 times 3. And y to the power of negative 12, which is negative 4 times 3. Now we're going to play our game. I'm going to highlight the ones that we're going to have to move. We're going to have to move this guy upstairs and change his sign. And then we're going to have to move this one upstairs, change the sign. I don't see any other negatives. So come down here and we're going to write everything that was on top. We're going to write it again. X to the 9th, y to the 12th, 2 to the 3rd, y to the 6th. And now I'm going to say, I'm going to bring x to the power of positive 6 up here, and y to the power of positive 12. Then I'm going to draw a line, and then just put this guy here. He's the only one still staying downstairs. 2 to the power of 3. Let's make sure we understand something. 2 to the power of 3 equals 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? So I keep simplifying. Now let's notice something. I like the ability to highlight with different colors. You see the x has an exponent of 9. Here's another x that has a 6. So we'll add those together. So I'll have x to the power of 15. Good. Have you guys figured out the kind of shortcut here? The shortcut is if you can figure out a couple of these, then you can probably narrow your answers down enough. But we'll do it all. So y to the power of 12 and y to the power of 12. What does that become? Y to the power of, what's 12 plus 12? 24. What was 2 to the power of 3 again? 8. So remember, these are all multiplied together. So then here's the 8. Oh, we forgot an extra y. And I see where your 30 is coming from. So you were including this? Yeah. Yeah. Fine. We'll put it in there. So yeah, 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 6 is 30. So this will be y to the 30th. And then times 8. And then on the bottom, we had 8. So what can I do with these two 8s? Yeah. So my final simplified solution or expression will be x to the power of 15 times y to the power of 30. And as Jay would tell us, we put that in the red box of correctness. Isn't it amazing that this original expression reduces down to that? Isn't that crazy?